Healthy thought. Gratitude is the best attitude. An attitude of gratitude means making it a habit to express thankfulness and appreciation in all parts of your life on a regular basis for both the big and small things alike. Gratitude has a strong positive impact on psychological well-being as well. It increases self-esteem, enhances positive emotions, and makes us more optimistic. Taking the time to feel gratitude may improve your emotional well-being by helping you cope with stress. Gratitude is a positive emotion that involves being thankful and appreciative and is associated with several mental and physical health benefits. People who regularly practice gratitude by taking time to notice and reflect upon the things they are thankful for experience more positive emotions, feel more alive, sleep better, express more compassion and kindness, and even have stronger immune systems. Gratitude is a gift, and gratitude changes everything. When we allow ourselves to look critically at our lives through the lens of gratitude and to focus on the many reasons we have to be grateful, life gets better. A focus on gratitude reduces stress and increases level of contentment. It truly is life-changing experience. Gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, relish good experience, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships. Expressing gratitude is associated with a host of mental and physical benefits. Studies have shown that feeling thankful can improve sleep, mood, and immunity. Gratitude can also decrease depression, anxiety, difficulties with chronic pain, and risk of diseases. It is said that gratitude is the open door to abundance. It is telling us that there is something within everything for which we can be grateful. And as we open up to its discovery, we open the door to abundant living. In a short time, your entire being will be saturated with it, and you will experience a happiness that is beyond what you can imagine. This is what ahead for you when you choose gratitude as your way of living a life. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Gratitude means thankfulness, counting your blessings, noticing simple pleasures, and acknowledging everything that you receive. It means learning to live your life as if everything were a miracle and being aware on a continuous basis how much you have been given. Expressing gratitude can improve your mood. People who regularly express gratitude for the positive things in their life are shown to be happier overall, leading to lower rates of stress and depression. Showing gratitude can make you more optimistic. It will help you to sustain in critical situations also. Gratitude can change your life because it makes you appreciate what you have rather than what you don't have. Gratitude can change your life because it is the single most powerful source of inspiration that any person can tap into if they simply just stop and paid attention to the simplistic beauty and miracle of life. thankful is a feeling and being grateful is an action. Gratitude helps us to initiate, maintain, and strengthen our relationships and even cause us to be more helpful co workers. Gratitude is one of many positive emotions. It's about focusing on what's good in our life and being thankful for the things we have. We can use lots of words to describe feelings of gratitude. We might say we feel grateful, thankful, lucky, fortunate, humbled, or blessed. Let's start our beautiful journey of expressing gratitude towards each and every aspect of our life. We can express gratitude towards all things or individuals or circumstances which made us grateful. You can make new gratitude journal for it. If you have already, then continue to write in same, or you can just take 15 minutes from your regular schedule and do gratitude exercise. Make a list of all grateful things in your life. Cover each and every area of your life like relationship, health, money, career, etc. You can do gratitude towards food, water, nature, air, Mother Earth, your body, all things which can make your life easy. At the end, just read all things once again and you feel really grateful towards your life journey. It will give you boost for your further journey. Gratitude you can make a habit for the month, for the week or for a day. At the end of the day or week or month, you can do gratitude towards each and everything and observe yourself. Gratitude helps remind us of our purpose and what we have to live for. Have grateful life ahead.